So who do we have here?
So we got roseate spoonbills. We've got what I believe is a wood stork.
Is that the white one?
And that is that
Whoa,
noise.
sorry.
Here he is, there he is, there he is. That's a kingfisher right there. See, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Oh my God, Tom's gonna be super jealous. Oh, okay, he just was warning us that this is his territory.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Then we got an egret on the other side. We've got some, I think, wood ducks, and then that might be a Muscovy swimming. Yeah, that's a Muscovy right here. Right. I can't believe this with the roseate spoonbills. Oh, and you know what that is? Do you see him? Do you see the dark bird over there? The small dark bird hunched?
Yeah.
That's it looks like that might be a tricolor maybe? Or, look at him coming up on the side.
Yeah. Oh,
I love that. It could be a tricolor, or it could be a little blue, but I don't think so. Maybe a reddish egret. Might be a reddish egret. We can walk around this side a little bit, and we might get a better view and better lighting.
I love cormorants.
Look at him flapping
Look
around.
at that. This feels so good.
Yeah, that other one, that's not a cormorant, that dark bird. That's, you know what? We have binoculars in the car. And then, yeah, we've definitely got a
Lovely.
stork there. Not the most handsome guy you've ever seen. And then you got those cormorants, and it looks such a little cute. And now these guys are all sleeping. They're so cute. Oh my God, look at them.
I feel like we moved far enough.